Hey everybody, it is Phineas. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, today we're going to talk about eggs again. With the egg shortages, or some stores, they have eggs, but they're either really expensive or they limit it to 2 because of, the bird flu and the price of feed and everything else. So today we're going to talk about 10 popular egg substitutes for cooking and baking. You might have this stuff on hand, or maybe it's more affordable right now than eggs. You can use some of these substitutes. And what I'll do is I'll give you what they are, and I'll give you the measurement, and that way you can pause the video if you want to write it down. It's simple. Alright, so let's go over the list. There's 10 of them. Number 1, applesauce. This is best for cakes, muffins, and brownies. Here's the ratio. 1/4 cup equals 1 egg. See, it's simple. 1/4 cup applesauce equals 1 egg. Number 2, flax seed meal. That's whole flax seeds that are just ground up into a meal. It says best for cookies and pancakes and waffles. The ratio is 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed plus 2.5 tablespoons water equal 1 egg. See, very simple, very cool. Number 3, chia seeds. Best for breads, muffins, and energy bars. See, I never thought about making my own energy bars. Okay, here's what you need for chia seeds to make an egg. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds plus 2.5 tablespoons of water equals 1 egg. See, this is very simple stuff. Number 4, mashed potatoes. Yeah, don't use mashed potatoes for an egg. Mashed bananas. Best for cakes, brownies, and muffins. See, it covers everything. Ratio, 1/4 cup mashed banana equals 1 egg. That's super easy. Number 6, yogurt. Dairy or non-dairy yogurt. This is best for cakes, pancakes, and muffins. See, this is covering everything. This is very interesting to me. Ratio, 1/4 cup yogurt equals 1 egg. Okay, number 6, vinegar and baking powder. Best for cakes, cupcakes, muffins. The ratio is 1 tablespoon vinegar plus 1 teaspoon baking powder equals 1 egg. Alright, number 7, coconut milk. Now this is best for muffins, cakes, and pancakes. The ratio is 1/4 cup coconut milk equals 1 egg. I think this is very cool. Like on hand, I have vinegar and baking powder. So if I needed eggs, and I actually don't have eggs anymore, if I needed eggs to bake a cake or muffins or cupcakes, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, there's an egg. See, a lot of stuff we'll have on hand. Alright, number 8, buttermilk. That's best for pancakes, muffins, and cakes. 1/4 cup buttermilk equals 1 egg. Number 9, cornstarch. Best for thickening sauces and puddings. Okay. Here's the ratio. 2 tablespoons cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of water equal 1 egg. Number 10, last one. This is for all your baking and cooking needs. This is mostly baking. Okay, number 10 is nut butters. Like peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter. These are best for cookies and brownies. And the ratio is 3 tablespoons of nut butter equal 1 egg. And there you go. So if you don't have eggs on hand, but you might have some of this stuff, or you can find this stuff easier than finding eggs, or this stuff might be cheaper than eggs. A lot of stuff we're just going to have on hand. And all this stuff is super simple. Like, it's not complicated to make these egg substitutes. Super easy. I thought that was interesting. That'll help some of us bakers and cookers out in this egg crisis. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help me out. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one.